Ever wondered, what if I needed to pull my money out of my investment app, like, right now? It's a thought that crosses everyone's mind, especially when dealing with something as personal as your finances. You're building your future, putting your hard-earned cash into platforms like Raiz, hoping for growth and stability. But life happens. Unexpected expenses pop up, your financial goals might shift, or maybe you just need to reassess your strategy. That's where understanding the return policy, or in Raiz's case, the withdrawal process, becomes absolutely crucial. Instead of calling it a return policy, Raiz operates on the principle of accessibility. They're designed to be flexible, allowing you to access your funds when you need them. This isn't like returning a faulty product to a store, it's about accessing your own invested money. So, let's dive into the specifics of how you can withdraw your funds from Raiz. First and foremost, Raiz allows you to withdraw your money at any time. There's no lock-in period or penalty for early withdrawal. This is a significant advantage, particularly for those who value liquidity and financial flexibility. You're not trapped, you're in control. The process is straightforward and can be initiated directly through the Raiz mobile app. You simply navigate to the Withdraw section, specify the amount you wish to withdraw, and confirm your request. Raiz will then sell the corresponding portion of your investment portfolio to generate the cash for your withdrawal. Now, here's where it gets a little more nuanced. The time it takes for your funds to reach your bank account depends on a few factors. Typically, Raiz aims to process withdrawals within a few business days. However, the exact time frame can vary based on market conditions, the time of day you initiate the withdrawal, and your bank's processing times. For instance, if you initiate a withdrawal late in the day or during a weekend, it might take a bit longer for the funds to be processed. Similarly, if there's significant market volatility, the sale of your investments might take slightly longer. It's also important to remember that when you withdraw your funds, you're essentially selling your investment holdings. This means that the amount you receive will be based on the current market value of your investments at the time of the sale. If the market has declined since you invested, the amount you receive might be less than your initial investment. Conversely, if the market has performed well, you might receive more. Another point to consider is the potential for capital gains tax. If you've made a profit on your investments, you may be liable for capital gains tax when you withdraw your funds. It's advisable to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to understand the tax implications of your withdrawals. Raiz also offers the option to set up recurring withdrawals. This can be useful if you're looking to regularly access a portion of your investment funds, for example, to supplement your income or cover recurring expenses. In essence, Raiz doesn't have a traditional return policy in the sense of refunding a purchase. Instead, they provide a flexible withdrawal system that allows you to access your invested funds whenever you need them. The process is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, empowering you to manage your finances with ease. Just remember that market fluctuations and potential tax implications are factors to keep in mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.